Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala's special tender jackfruit stir fry recipe. This recipe is usually served along with rice or you can have it alone. Just to have a try. Let's move to the video. Pan, take some water and add 3 cups of tender jackfruit pieces to it. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cook on high flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, change to medium flame and cook for 3 minutes. Stir occasionally in between. After straining water, transfer it into a grinder jar and grind coarsely like this. We don't want to make it paste. Just grind it lightly like this without adding water. Remove it into a bowl. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Without adding water, grind it like this. We don't want a paste form. Remove it into a bowl for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Add half teaspoon urad dal. Stir for 30 seconds. Now add 5 sliced shallots, 2 red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix it well and saute it for 2 minutes. Now we can add the grinded tender jackfruit to it. Also add the grinded coconut mixture on top of it. Add half teaspoon salt. Mix all together nicely for 1 minute. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Now we can open the lid. Our Kerala special tender jackfruit stir fry recipe is ready. This healthy recipe contains high amount of fiber in it. We can serve this delicious recipe along with rice for best taste. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.